Do you want to know how to remove collections from your credit report extremely fast and commit fraud at the same time? Well, this is the video for you. I'm gonna let Ricky explain.
What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky, co-founder of 𝐬𝐨𝐿 Accounting Services. And what I have for you guys today is how to remove collections off your credit report. Now, this method, it usually removes collections within a week or two, but nonetheless, stay tuned because you're not going to want to miss this video. So there's going to be two websites you're going to be logging into to get this done. So the first one, so before I even get to that, you've been rocking with me, and you've been following me, and you've been a supporter, you know that I do all my disputing with the CFPB. Now with collections, there's an extra step because we will be going to CFPB, but we got to go somewhere else first. So that website is called identitytheft.gov. Let's get started. The first tab you see where it says, I want to report identity theft, you're going to go ahead and click that. Then you're going to select credit card accounts because you're going to see a bunch of different accounts. It says select all that apply. You're just going to go with the first option, which says credit card accounts. You scroll down and press continue. And then tell us how your information was misused. There's two options. You're going to go with to open a fraudulent credit card account. Then you press continue again. And this is where the reporting starts happening. So where it says what company or bank issued this credit card, you're going to go ahead and put in the name of that company. So I'm working on the client's credit report right now. She has a new collection. She said she's never had this collection before. It's with Verizon, but the collection agency that's reaching out to try to collect is Jefferson Capital Systems.
So this is what I mean. Y'all gotta stop listening to these people on YouTube and Instagram, social media in general. They're just regurgitating what everybody else is doing. Claiming that you are a victim of identity theft when you are not a victim of identity theft is fraud. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.